Hi, YouTube. This is Constantine Jr., and my channel name is named after me. So the name of my channel is Constantine Jr. As you can see, I joined April 14, 2021. I became a YouTube content creator last year. This is my channel URL. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little blurry, but I'm going to go in closer with the camera. There we go. And basically, my channel is basically about just doing shorts, doing birthdays, celebrity entertainment. The reviews feedback says my channel is using someone else's content without making significant changes or add value. And this is my reapplication. So basically, you guys denied it, as you can see. And this is my appeal to get my channel back. I've been demonetized and I'm trying to get my monetization right back. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you what my process is and how I make my videos and how I create my own original content. My channel is also a gaming channel. I was thinking about doing a separate channel, but I have a lot of followers, so I went against that intuition to do a new channel. But as you can see, this is my PS5, and basically I do not edit anything. I just upload it to the YouTube link share. I'm going to show you that in 1 minute here. And there you go. It's the media gallery. And basically, I play the game and I just upload it. This is Resident Evil 5 and I'm uploading it. So share, and it says linked, and I link it to YouTube. I do not edit this. I just upload it to my YouTube link to my PS5 share. So I do not edit this anyway. I just upload it. All my content is original and made by myself, and the voiceovers are my own voice. I use CapCut. As you can tell, if you cannot tell, this is CapCut. Here in CapCut, I do new projects. This is where I edit every project I have, except the video games. As I told you before, that I just upload that. But here I do shorts, I do videos, movie reviews. I edit everything here, as you can tell. All original content, no reuse content here. And this is one of the videos I'm doing right now about PlayStation 4 games. There it is right there. As you can tell that, yeah, there it is. I'm just, again, original content, no reuse content. I'm just getting all my games in order, and I'm pasting all the games in order. This is the pasting process right here. And there we go. Before I do anything, I have to write script and think about ideas. And as you can tell, this is my ideas, and I put dates on it. So the date comes, I edit it, and I upload it immediately, so it stays fresh. As you see, April 18th, I uploaded video games. April 14th, I uploaded my PlayStation update. April 17th, I uploaded another video game. Now I'm taking you to Google Photos. This is where I take all my photos and I go edit in CapCut. And yeah, this is where the process of all my photos come from. All copyright free. Now I'm back on my channel, Constantine Jr. And as you can tell, I'm showing you videos of video games, of celebrity birthdays, of celebrity deaths, movie reviews, and TV reviews, everything. Just gaming, gaming reviews. Everything that you see here is original content. Like I said before, I use CapCut. I use voice editing with my own voice on CapCut. I use all the tools on CapCut to edit my video, because the video that you see, all the videos you see right now are mine. All original content. I plead with you to please reevaluate and reinstate my monetization. I'll be very grateful, and I want to say thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. You didn't have to, but you took your time. And I hope this will be very sufficient. Thank you, and have a good day.